I came as fast as I could. What's the situation?
Bank robbers have taken 25 hostages and are demanding $3 million in cash.
Dear God. That poor sweet money.
But unfortunately, they bolted the vault door with an adamantium lock. There's no way we're getting in there, and there's no way they're getting out. Nobody move! If you want to get out of this alive, you'll have to do as we say!
Yeah, you said it, boss.
Yeah.
Sorry to interrupt this tea party, but I'm closing it down.
Who the hell are you?
Hey, I was walking in.
Blast him, boys! Damn! I'm more out than you're out of the closet!
You don't have to expose me like that, boss.
I'll expose you both to justice!
No!
I don't discriminate.
Aggressive! No! Wait! Not the vault door! How I did!
Hey, I'm crawling in. Who the hell are you?
Looks like you're going to be seeing the inside of a prison cell soon. This seems like a pretty open and shut case.
Hey, you! Freeze!
What happened here? Hey, let me out! It's a cruel and unusual punishment in here!
Hey, I think I got a concussion over it. Who was that?
He's the hero that this city needs. When crime closes a door, justice will always be there to open it back up. When hope seems lost, Buddha will be there to send someone to save us. When Luke Skywalker tried to destroy the Death Star, old Ben was there to help him out. And when Tom catches Jerry, you can bet Jerry will be there with a comically sized mallet to hit Tom right back. And when Jesus was crucified for our sins, you can be sure that they will have Bigfoot there to resurrect him, because war never changes. You got that, Carl?
Have you been taking drugs from the evidence locker again?
That's not the point here. The point is, this city has a hero.
I wonder, how did he get those incredible powers? Powers.
Carl?
Powers.
Carl, are you okay?
Powers.
Are you having another stroke?
Powers.
Carl, talk to me! Talk to me,
Powers.
Carl, talk to me! Hey, Theodore. Are you winning, son?
No, Dad! I'm not winning! Now get out of my room!
Listen. Listen, son. I know things have been tough since your mother died in that freak IKEA door accident, but let me tell you something. The Hingemans, we always pull through. We can handle just about anything. You got that?
God, Dad! Get out of my room!
Hey! Don't you slam that door! Slamming doors is what killed your mother! Ugh. That kid. When will he learn that slamming doors is gonna get him nowhere?
What was that? Dad, I'm going out! See you soon, Dad! Bye!
Okay, son. Just try not to go anywhere near the nuclear facility that's right outside our house and very easy to miss. You might get sick.
What is that? Hey. There it is. Ah! Oh! Ah! Oh, for the love of Iron Man 3! I got bitten! I was bitten by a radioactive door!
Son? What's wrong? What's going on?
Dad! Get out of my room!
Son, please!
But I didn't even touch the door. But how? Oh my god. The radioactive door! It seems to have given me the power to control doors. From this day forth, I shall be known as Kid Door, defender of justice, fighter of evil. From now on, no case shall go unsolved, for I will always be there to help those in need. I will single-handedly end crime in this city and do whatever I can.
God, it must have been a year since Theodoor last cleaned this place. Oh, that's disgusting. Huh? What are you? Some kind of high-tech teenage pleasure device? What is this thing? Ah! It is some kind of high-tech teenage pleasure device! Oh, something tells me this world is about to become unhinged. Son.
Oh, hey Dad.
Where have you been?
Nowhere really. Oh, well, I was out drinking and partying mainly.
Drinking. Partying? We both know you haven't had a friend since year 2, Theodoor. Come, tell me where you were.
I'm not lying, Dad. I made new friends. I'm quite popular now.
Wow. That's 2 lies already, son.
I don't need you interrogating me like this, Dad. Besides, what are you even wearing? Are you eating flour?
Don't worry. It's gluten-free.
I'm not worried about your gut, Dad. You seem to have lost your mind.
Oh, Theodoor. I have more of my mind now than I have had in years. Did you know I once had a PhD? Ah, bet you never knew that. Now, we must take a walk.
No.
Yes.
No, I'm not taking a walk with you, Dad.
Listen, my mind is open now, and I know just where I want to be, son. We're going, and that's an order. The doctor is in.
Right, stop, Dad. This is enough. Where are we going?
Son, come along. There's not much left. You see, you found a comet, did you not?
How do you know about that?
Well, because the comet found me. You see, while you may have gotten the powers, I got the mind. There was a species long ago, a race of intelligent doors, and they knew more about this world than we could ever know.
Sorry, intelligent doors?
Shh. The one who opens and the one who closes. You see, they are together, and we've locked them away for so many years.
You're scaring me, Dad.
No, I will open a door for them, the largest door they have ever seen, and they shall worship me under my new name. Doctor Unhinged. Now, we have not much left to go. It's there! We're here! You see, son, you see what I've done.
Why have you brought me back to the nuclear waste facility, Dad?
Oh, you might know it as a nuclear waste facility, but you might not know it was a nuclear testing facility. Buried beneath the ground is a nuclear weapon, a warhead strong enough to break a rift in the sky and bring forth into our dimension the god of opening and closing, the one who has granted me my knowledge. Please, my son, open this door and the world will see. He will see us for what we are, gods.
You're not my dad. You're pure evil. And I'm not going to be a part of this.
Come back! You cannot escape doors!
Hello, old friend. I could really use a door right now. You're no father of mine!
What?
Huh?
What?
Huh?
What?
What's he saying? Where the hell are you? Give me back my father!
Yeah!
Ah!
Oh, my son, you will soon see the power of doors. Oh, my son, this is the site where humanity will meet its end. And this will be the site where you meet yours as well, unless you help me. Your adamantium is strong, but your body is still weak and human.
Give me back my father!
No human weapon can harm me. What? What? Without your door, you're just a kid. So stop kidding yourself, door. Ah, my son, you did well, but the world's a little bit more unhinged than you thought.
I won't let you! Dad, please. I need you now more than ever.
Son, I don't have much time. He's taken my body. It's so dark. But listen. I can't stop him, but you can. He can't hurt you now. Do it.
Dad? Dad, are you back?
Humans, so weak. Just you wait. The one who opens and closes cannot be defeated this easily. I will be back, my son, and if you haven't noticed, there are no doors here.
You won't get away! Where are you? whenever he returns, Kid Door will be knocking.